Take a step back. What's good, Auto Gang? What y'all think? It's that body kit on Need for Speed Underground. Add 10 horsepower. We're gonna try to shake it back. We're putting some 22s on it. Got 22s on it now, but we're going with a newer set. Now I'm pretty sure, you know, I'm gonna say a good 15. I'm gonna say how 15 years ago this bill was fire. You couldn't even cap. Seen us on the street, hot as Crown Vic. But we gonna get in the shop, you know what I'm saying? Freshen it up. Need for Speed Underground. I know they've had a lot of recalls on them bitches.